In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freshbooks to request payment from clients. We'll walk through building a simple professional invoice and sending it off so your client can pay you quickly and securely. Start on your Freshbooks dashboard. From here, open the Invoices section. This is your hub for everything billable. Click New Invoice to begin. You'll land on a clean template. At the top, add your branding by dragging in your logo or selecting a file. A clear, high-contrast logo helps your invoice look polished and recognizable. Next, choose who you're billing. Use the client picker to select an existing client or create a new one if this is a first-time project. Make sure the business name and billing email are accurate so the invoice reaches the right person without delays. Now build your line items. In the description field, briefly explain the service or product. Think action plus scope like website design sprint or monthly consulting retainer. Add your rate, then your quantity, whether that's hours, units, or milestones. The total will calculate automatically. If your work includes multiple items, click Add a line and repeat. Keep descriptions consistent and avoid jargon. Clarity reduces back and forth. If you have supporting documents like a time report, signed estimate, or deliverable preview, attach them so the client has full context. Below that, add optional notes for friendly context or handoff details such as where files are stored or what to expect next. Set your terms so expectations are crystal clear. Include a due date, any late fee policy, and accepted payment methods. If you're billing in stages, add a payment schedule to split the invoice into installments with their own due dates. This is useful for longer projects and helps cash flow stay predictable. To make paying effortless, enable accept online payments. Turning this on lets your client pay directly through the invoice, which often speeds up turnaround. Before you send, take a moment to review the totals and formatting so everything looks right. When you're ready, click Send To. Confirm the recipient details and message, then send the invoice straight from Freshbooks. Your client will receive a professional, easy-to-pay request, and you'll be able to track its status from the Invoices section. That's it. You've created a branded invoice, set clear expectations, and made payments simple. Follow these steps each time, and you'll spend less time chasing payments and more time doing the work you love.